You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 23/19. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by x+4. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Multiply by 0. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by x-5. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 23 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 19. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is x equals 23/19.